Just starting a goal mfethu. For me now it's a clear offside for the yabo. Intense offside kulela goal le ball deflection from him. Noma ngabe le goalkeeper but it touch uMakhatha zalithole le bhola li uLepo. So limthola mile lo mfana Eden McCarthy ngoba igoal. Well done to the boy to score but it's supposed to be offside. Referee.
What do you think of the linesman in that decision?
Iyangicaka nami iyangconfuse because kube bekuyi maybe transition bamshiye ngespeed mhlawumbe lineman it's football players bamshiye ngespeed whereby babreakile but now he was on the line so set piece uyibone kahle straight on the line so I question ukuthi why angayibonanga or confuse ukuthi mhlambe ibhola lithashe someone but the referee there phela ureferee unesay enkulu kakhulu so referee on the pitch say supposed to say it's offside.